This is the 30-day video challenge, day 13. Hi. Alright, so we've got this thing that is a shelf for a, what's it called?
Longaburger.
No, what's the shelf called?
A baker's rack?
Like a baker's rack? Longer burger. Anyways,
Longaburger.
we got to make 2 more of them. So we've got an old table leaf again. So anytime we see old tables, if they're not in good shape, we try to pick them up just because there's usually some good wood in there. This one was split to pieces, so here we are. We're gonna use it for something. We're gonna transform into one of these twice. Stay tuned. We sanded these pieces of wood. We sanded these down with 80 grit, wiped them down with mineral spirits so the grain would pop, get rid of some of that sanding dust. Now we're gonna hit it with 120, clean them off again, and then hand sand with 220.
What are you sanding with?
Sandpaper.
What are you sanding with?
Sandpaper.
What grit are you sanding with?
220.
So with the butcher block conditioner, we apply it, buff it out, and then end up doing 2 or 3 coats. 3 coats overall, and then it'll be all done and we'll get it delivered to the customer this week. That's a wrap on day 13. Thank you guys so much for sticking with us through this challenge, and we'll see you tomorrow.